DECRED is a totally open and self-funding crypto project, which was sent off on December 15, 2015. Its control framework was made based on blockchain. Specialists say that this is a mixture of two standards, POW, POAS. In this way, the agreement is reached among excavators and citizens. This venture was made with full and open investment, everything being equal. This is a digital money chip, and the makers center around this specific part before the ICO. DECRED puts the primary accentuation on joint independent control in view of casting a ballot and limiting hard forks, as well as higher organization decentralization. Less difficult mining on video cards and quicker, less expensive exchanges contrasted with Bitcoin. There is additionally support for nuclear exchanges between DCR, BTC, and LTC. DECRED crucial worth. DECRED is local area driven considerably more than other comparative undertakings. Furthermore, with the presentation of the Palihapitiya update, the task has no direction by any means in the conventional feeling of the word. During the pre-mine, all coins were given as installment or were sold at a cost of $0.49 as needs be. The designers didn't get free coins, and as far as they might be concerned, there is a limitation on the offer of coins for 1 year. For Organization 0, this limitation is 2 years. The airdrop program was completed until the start of 2016. To take part, it was important to apply. Under this program, 4% of DCR coins of the complete issue were disseminated. Members went through a thorough determination process, and not every person had the option to take part. DECRED value investigation. As indicated by the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of DECRED is $19.68, and DCR is by and by position No. 93 in the whole crypto biological system. The core supply of DECRED is 14,652,487 DCR, with a market cap of $288,298,643.50. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by 31 cents in its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, DCR has been in a decent vertical pattern, in this manner expanding by 5.23%. DECRED has shown areas of strength for extremely recently, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. Inside the last month, the cost of DCR has diminished by 4.35%, killing an incredible normal amount of 86 cents from its ongoing worth. This unexpected drop implies that the coin is in a plunge at the present time, so it tends to be a decent purchasing, a potential open door for fast speculation. DECRED value expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of DECRED costs expected in 2022, the base expense of DECRED will be $26.25. The most extreme level that the DCR cost can reach is $32.27. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $27.03. DCR value gauge for January 2023. In view of the value changes of DECRED toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical DCR pace of $20.51 in January 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $18.55 and at $21.09. Separately, February 2023, DECRED value gauge. Digital currency specialists are prepared to report their gauge for the DCR cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $20.14, while the most extreme could reach $21.91 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of DECRED may be around $20.92. DCR value figure for WAC 2023. Crypto experts have actually looked at the value changes of DECRED in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal DCR rate they anticipate may be around $21.34 in WAC 2023. It can drop to $20.36 as a base. The greatest worth may be $22.75. April 2023. DECRED value gauge. Around mid-year 2022, the DCR cost will be exchanged at $21.76 overall. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the DECRED worth to $23.60. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $20.79 in April 2023. DCR value conjecture for May 2023. Crypto specialists have examined DECRED costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, $22.20. The most minimal and top DCR rates may be $21.42 and $24.69. June 2023, DECRED value figure. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the DCR cost will be around $23.08. In June 2023, the DECRED cost might drop to at least $22.30. The normal pinnacle worth may be $25.80 in June 2023. DCR value figure for July 2023. Having dissected DECRED costs, digital money specialists expect that the DCR rate could arrive at a limit of $26.72 in July 2023. It may, in any case, drop to $23.23. For July 2023, the determined normal of DECRED is almost $24.01. August 2023, DECRED value conjecture. Around mid-2022, the DECRED cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $24.49. Crypto experts expect that in August 2023, the DCR cost could change somewhere in the range of $23.51 and $27.68. DCR value figure for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the DECRED worth won't dip under at least $24.44. The most extreme pinnacle expected for the current month is $28.66. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $25.22. October 2023, DECRED value conjecture. Digital currency specialists have painstakingly dissected the scope of DCR costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their figure is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of DECRED will be around $29.67, with a chance of dropping to at least $24.95. In October 2023, the normal expense will be $25.73. DCR value conjecture for November 2023. In light of the value vacillations of DECRED toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical DCR pace of $26.24 in November 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $25.46 and at $30.96. Separately, December 2023, DECRED value conjecture. Digital money specialists are prepared to declare their figure for the DCR cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $26.25, while the greatest could reach $32.27 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of DECRED may be around $27.03. DECRED value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of DECRED in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of DECRED will be around $37.06. The greatest expected DCR cost might be around $44.83. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $38.15 in 2023. DECRED value expectation 2025. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of DECRED, in 2024, DCR is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $54.60 and $62.94. Separately, the typical expected exchanging cost is $56.50. DECRED value expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of digital currency have broke down the costs of DECRED and their variances during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base DCR cost could drop to $80.90, while its most extreme can reach $97.30.